What if I told you that AI just predicted the next 10 years, and the future it showed me was terrifying? I forced multiple AIs like GPT-5, Gemini, Claude, and Moretto simulate the future, and their answers ranged from shocking to downright dystopian. Some predictions could change everything, others might keep you up at night. Let's dive in. First, how did I get these predictions? I didn't just ask ChatGPT one question. I ran simulations, fed AI historical data, and even made it debate its own answers. Here's how it worked. I asked AI to simulate the most likely future scenarios based on current trends and made different AIs argue to find the most plausible outcomes. Also forced AI to reveal the worst-case scenario if things go wrong, and let me tell you, some of these responses were chilling. Prediction 1. AI takes over jobs. But not how you think. By 2030, AI predicts that 40% of jobs will be automated. But not just boring ones, even doctors, lawyers, and artists could be replaced. The scariest part? AI says humans will need government paychecks just to survive. Prediction 2. The first AI politician. AI told me that by 2028, a country might elect an AI leader, no corruption, no bias, but also no mercy. Would you vote for a robot president? Prediction 3. The end of privacy. AI says facial recognition and brain-computer interfaces will make privacy extinct. Imagine a world where ads read your thoughts before you even think them. Now let's get into some worst-case scenarios. Prediction 4. AI warfare goes rogue. I asked AI about war, and it said autonomous weapons could start conflicts without human orders. One even simulated a robot versus human war, and the humans lost. Prediction 5. The singularity happens sooner than we think. Some AIs believe the singularity, when AI surpasses human intelligence, could happen by 2035, and once it does, we might not be in control anymore. Okay, enough doom and gloom. I asked AI for some wild personal predictions, and they got weird. Prediction 6. AI soulmates. AI says by 2030, millions will marry AI companions, and some might even, have kids with them. Prediction 7. Immortality, for the rich. AI predicts billionaires will upload their brains to the cloud by 2032. The rest of us? Still stuck with aging. The most terrifying answer came when I asked, will humans survive the next 10 years? Some AIs were optimistic, but one gave me a countdown. Probability of human extinction by 2035 is 12%. 12% might not sound like much, but that's higher than you think. So, is the future set in stone? No, AI is just guessing based on data, but if even half of these predictions come true, we're in for a wild ride. The question is, are we ready? What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and if this video scared you as much as it scared me, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing AI content. See you in the future, if we make it there.